Hello, my name is Gary Springwater, and I'm going to do a demonstration for you today for those who are doing backflow testing and technician repair people. I want to show you a new product that is actually going to make your life easier. It's going to be very similar to a screwdriver. It looks like it in a sense because it's called a Seatdriver. And this Seatdriver is now actually going to be using what we have a lot of trouble with, our seats. Taking them in and out should be a simple job, but sometimes aligning them, putting them back is where the misery begins. So what I want to show you guys today, this tool helps us align it, as well as take it out and put it back, but it aligns it when it puts it back in. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. So I'm going to take one out. It's in there. It's got snagged it. Put it in. Works like a screwdriver. We're unscrewing it. It's out. All of a sudden I can check the O-rings, see if the seat's cracked or broke. Then if it's not, everything's good. I'm going to put it back. And what's cool is I'm going to line it up just like I would putting a Coke lid on a Coke cap on a bottle. So once I turn it with 2 fingers, I know I'm actually good. I'm going to do it a little different. If I know I can turn it with 2 lids like that, I'm good shape. So once that does that, 2 or 3 turns, you see me turn it, that's the seat is perfectly aligned. We're good shape because it was actually, we got the feel for it and we got to put it in there correctly. So it's on there. Let's do the seat valve too. I already taken the caps and everything off so you guys can see. But if it's too tight for me and you're not able to pull it off, sometimes you get in one of those jobs, just take your deal, loosen it, and then with a wrench, and now you can do it by hand. So you got it off. Check the O-rings, see if it's cracked. If it's all good, put it back. If it's not, replace it. So we're gonna put it back on. Again, make sure you're doing with 2 fingers on the end of this, just like you would on a Coke cap. Once you get it going, get it lined, takes a second. Remember, I'm not bending over, I'm not on my back. I'm doing, you guys notice it, that I'm setting up like in my normal position, doing it just like I would if I was doing, and right now you see it go. I saw 2 fingers moving it, so all of a sudden I know I'm right. It's on there, tighten it up, out. We just spend a minute or so doing both of our deals with putting it back perfect alignments. Not having to cost and spend our money on this. This one right here, 2 of these are gonna pay for 1 of these. Whether you do this or not, you're gonna ruin some of these. That's gonna keep you from running them. So you're gonna pay for it, get the tool. Get away from the frustration, speed your time up, make more money.